What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got Dan's 2018 Ford F250 back in the shop. About 3 years ago, I installed these Morimoto XB LED headlights for him. Recently, he came in and he has these little LED bars, if you can see them right there, across there, and across right there. Those LED bars are from North Georgia Lighting, so he ordered those, got them in, and brought them over to me to install them. And so I'm going to show you real quickly what they do. Well, would you look at that? The bars basically light up. They aren't like an LED bar in the sense that they project outwards light to light up the road, but an LED bar in the sense that they light up and they provide a continuous stream of light across the top and the bottom. So really, this is a really nice touch. I like this product. It's pretty cool. It is an extruded aluminum chassis, and theoretically it's waterproof. It's got kind of like a little Fresnel lens on the front of it to make it really match this style very well. So in those regards, I like the build quality. I think it's pretty groovy. I'm not necessarily so sure it'd be a great DIY installation. I think that it technically should say it's for professional installation only. It did come with instructions, but they talk a lot about installing it to the upfitter switches, which I don't really fully understand because this is just hooked into the parking lights right now. But plot twist is that the Morimoto heads bring on that C-bar also when the engine is running, not just when the parking lights are on. So here you can see I've got the bars are on and also these C-bars are on, but we do not have the parking lights on. That is because the key is now in the in position. It's ignition controlled, 2 input sources, both diode isolated from each other. That way they mimic the behavior of those CDRLs. These could be wired in a ton of different ways, but that is the way that I chose to do it. That's the way the customer requested, and that's my favorite way personally because it doesn't require any interface from the customer for them to behave correctly. Of course, they are turn signals and they are sequential turn signals, so it's really cool. I do like the animation. I do like the way it feeds into the heads. I will admit that I'm not super stoked on the fact that the top bar goes to the left and the bottom bar goes to the right, or whatever direction you want to call it. I just wish that they would both go both directions, but I understand why that was not a cost-effective programming design. So they are what they are, and they are pretty cool, so no complaints there. And here's a little bit of a close-up of them again while they are off. I do not sell these. I do not represent these in any shape or form. It's just something that the customer bought and supplied, and I thought it was really cool that I would do a video on them. The actual installation of mounting the bars to the grill was super easy, and I did like that. I thought that was a nice innovative system. I'm not super keen on the fact that the wiring pops out the side, but that's pretty much a non-issue, considering you can't see it the second you go more than 2 feet away from the truck. But they've had this product out for a while now, and I know that Morimoto is finally going to be releasing their grill for the F-Series trucks. That's coming out in, I think, about a week or so, where it's going to be a whole grill replacement with integrated LED bars that do sequential turn signals. So really excited to see that product come out, but for the time being, this certainly does fill a need, and it does a really good job at doing it. So I am really pleased and super excited that I got to install this. So again, if this is something you are interested in, that is North Georgia Lighting, and there is some information about them. I'm not a super fan of this card either, but like whatever, that's the information. So give them a call up if this is something that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I shall talk to you later. See ya.